The Jagger Library was engulfed in flames in the UCT fire of 2021. 1 year on, we are looking to rebuild it. This call is to invite you to participate and collaborate in the rebuilding. You can do this by sharing your ideas in the form of drawings, collages, sounds, and/or moving images. We have some prompts for you. When you read, hear, see these words, what drawings, collages, sounds, and/or moving images comes to your mind? Are you willing to share these with us? If so, please share your contributions. The big ideas: connections through collections, student-centric design, future design, disrupting colonial legacies, somatic, emotional, spiritual, multilingual learning. Where do we come from? Where are we going to? What is knowledge? Where is it produced? Key design elements: multi-use hubs, zones, learning, quiet, debate, tutorials, laboratories, food, noise, technology, vibe, intersections and connections, gathering without gatherings, creative dialogue, African academic landscape, mental, cognitive, physical wellness, refuge from stress, acknowledging exhaustion, stress, consternation, challenges, light nature, organic and natural elements, natural light, relaxing color schemes, outside spaces inside, access to knowledge, physical and digital, promote indigenous knowledge systems and language, decentralize the literature and resources, repositories of community knowledge, satellite libraries, Cape Town, Cape Flats, townships. Where does it reach? Who does it reach? Digital access spaces and complex modalities of learning, custodianship of African knowledge.